At last month's Unpacked event, Samsung gave us a tantalizing glimpse into the future with its Tri-Fold smartphone concept. The Samsung Galaxy G Fold Tri-Fold is poised to redefine innovation, promising to push the boundaries of foldable technology further than ever before. But as excitement builds, so do concerns. Will this groundbreaking device finally overcome the infamous crease issue that has plagued foldables since their inception? Let's dive in. According to recent leaks, Samsung may take a measured approach with the Galaxy G Fold Tri-Fold, limiting its release to select markets, just like it did with the Galaxy Z Fold SE. This suggests that Samsung is testing the waters before committing to a full-scale global launch. And let's be honest, the premium price tag could also be a factor, making this an exclusive device for early adopters and tech enthusiasts rather than the mainstream consumer. But there's a bigger issue at play: durability. With foldables, it's not just about innovation, it's about longevity. Can Samsung deliver a device that's as sturdy as it is stunning? One of the most talked about aspects of foldable phones is the visible crease on the display. Unfortunately, leaks suggest that the Galaxy G Fold Tri-Fold may not bring significant improvements in this area. While Samsung has undoubtedly made strides in foldable technology, the crease remains a stubborn reminder of the technical hurdles that come with bending screens. For consumers, this could be a deal-breaker. After all, who wants a futuristic phone with a distracting flaw? The timing of Samsung's Tri-Fold couldn't be more critical. Huawei is set to globally launch its Mate XT Tri-Foldable phone, marking its first major foray into the international foldable market. While Huawei's design is undoubtedly innovative, early reports of display damage complaints have raised eyebrows. Samsung, on the other hand, is reportedly focusing on a dual inward folding mechanism, aiming to strike a balance between durability and functionality. This isn't just a battle of specs, it's a clash of philosophies. Will Samsung's emphasis on robustness give it the edge over Huawei's flashy innovation? While the Tri-Fold may miss its rumored Q4 debut, Samsung isn't slowing down. The company is gearing up to launch not one, not two, but 3 foldable devices around July this year. Alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, rumors suggest an affordable flip model could join the lineup, making foldable technology more accessible than ever. Samsung's promise of a diverse set of foldables signals its commitment to dominating this burgeoning market. But the question remains, can it deliver on its promises without compromising on quality? Samsung's Galaxy G Fold Tri-Fold is more than just a phone. It's a statement. It's a bold declaration that Samsung is ready to lead the foldable revolution, even as it grapples with the challenges of creases, durability, and market readiness. While the Tri-Fold may not be perfect, it represents a significant step forward in a rapidly evolving industry. As Huawei and Samsung go head-to-head, one thing is clear: the future of smartphones is folding, and the competition has never been fiercer. So, are you ready to embrace the foldable future? Or will the crease keep you waiting for the next big breakthrough? One thing's for sure: Samsung's Galaxy G Fold Tri-Fold is about to make waves, and we can't wait to see how it unfolds.